Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to Scale Model Kit Review. Here is the Moebius 1/6 scale Lost in Space Robot B9. This was originally released back in 2014. This year, in 2018, Moebius did an updated deluxe kit featuring the seamless glass dome. So now you can purchase this kit complete with the glass dome, part number 949. Or you can purchase the two separately sold upgrade kits. First one being the complete upgrade kit for the head, part number 948, or the seamless glass dome itself for the kit, part number 947. So give me a second, I'll open this up and we'll look to see what's inside the boxes.
Mr. President, status control on Jupiter 2. As of this moment, the spacecraft has passed the limits of our galaxy. It's presumed to be hopelessly lost in space.
These are awesome kits. I purchased them from culttvman.com. Super fast shipping. When I ordered it, I received them within 2 days. He has excellent service and will combine shipping if necessary. So if you haven't done so already, head over and purchase these kits from culttvman.com. He's been having some awesome flash sales lately. Been picking up some great deals on some kits there, and those flash sales are just fabulous. So if you haven't done so already, sign up for his newsletter. Well, he'll send you a notice about his flash sales. Head over to culttvman.com.
Alpha Control, this is Jupiter 2. Do you read me?
And there it is!
Warning! Warning!
Dr. Smith, look!
Alright, so the video doesn't end up being too long. I'm going to go ahead and review these individually on 3 different videos. So look on my channel to see all 3 parts of this review. So let's look at the standalone glass dome kit, part number 947. Instructions here. So they talk about how to assemble the head assembly, the neck assembly, note that it's designed for the unassembled kit, so if you haven't built your kit that you bought back in 2014, this is perfect for that. Inside the box here. Nice bubble wrap to protect the glass. Of course, this here is plastic, and so is this part here. But very nice piece of glass there. No sharp edges here, which is nice. So there you have it. This is a nice glass dome for the kit you may not have built already. Highly recommend. And there you have it. This was the Moebius models, Lost in Space, seamless glass dome for the Robot B9, kit number 947. If you haven't done so already, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Happy modeling, everybody. Go build something.